Well, we decided to do a last-minute camping trip.
Very last minute.
It was just raining, and we're not going very far. We're going to stay locally, so I didn't even hook up the weight distribution or anything.
Not needed when we're going 2 miles away.
And in the Chevrolet manual, it says weight distribution optional, so I'm going to try it.
Yeah, give it a shot.
So we made it.
Yes, we did.
Whole couple miles down the road to East Harbor, and running without weight distribution, it didn't really make any difference other than the back end would, bounce more than usual. But I only got up to like 55, 60, and it was a really short trip.
Yeah, for a very short period of time. That's another Airstream here.
Is there?
Yeah, right there.
Oh my God.
Look. Second time in a row.
We're becoming Airstream nerds.
I mean, how many times have we gone camping and we don't ever see another Airstream?
Oh yeah, the full hookup row is full.
That's why she said, well, this one's booked up. But
so, anyway.
Sorry, I got distracted.
Yeah, squirrel.
Yeah.
So we have all of these lovely sites to choose from.
We know where we're going.
Yeah, we're going to the back row.
Row, 'cause that's got the nice sights.
Going to Party Row.
Yeah.
That's a truck stop term, sorry.
Guy's awfully chill.
Yes, he is. We should go to get the site right next to that other airstrip. Right across from him.
Be like, hey guys, want to be our friends? You know, not one of these big ones we had back here before.
Just walk in, 210. Now it's Friday, like 4:30 in the afternoon. Give it what, a month, and it won't look like this. It'll be jam-packed.
Yeah, you won't be able to be so carefree walking in.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got tags.
So what did we say, 210?
Yeah, 210. Oh, there's another Airstream!
Oh!
Down the full hookup row!
What the heck?
This is some crap.
Airstreams are taking off.
Yeah.
I think Shrags need an Airstream.
Yeah, they need to go stream.
What to say?
Oh. Too late. It's already on. Well, we're all set up, enjoying a campfire and a beverage. The dogs are having a good old time. Guy's happy because he's laying on a blanket because he's fancy. And Wolf just doesn't care. She's having a good time no matter where we are.
Yeah, the weather actually turned out to be pretty decent.
Yeah. It's actually a really nice evening right now. It's not windy. I can't believe it.
It rained and rained and rained.
That it did.
And then it stopped raining, and then it rained some more.
Right. It kept tricking us, thinking it was done, and then something else would just pop up on the radar.
Supposedly it's 61 degrees right now.
I believe it. Close to it anyway. But tomorrow ain't gonna be this nice, so we're just trying to really enjoy it. I think the high for tomorrow is in the 40s.
Yeah, I'm looking it up. 47 is the high, 35 at night. Thank you.
Ash. Yeah, so we'll be wearing some coats tomorrow. Well, Mike already is.
Yeah.
You must not be wearing long johns.
No, I'm not.
No, he's not acclimated to regular temperatures without undergarments for his protection. So I think we're just going to enjoy this fire. We'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Maybe
Yes.
go for a walk, get some good drone footage, something like that.
Yep, we'll figure something out.
We'll figure it out.
Well, it's Saturday morning, and it rained all night, so everybody's inside.
Yeah, everything's pretty wet, including our wood and our camping chair.
So you're gonna make breakfast.
I'm gonna make breakfast. I'm going to make a hash. It's gonna have onions, potatoes, eggs, a pepper, sausage, stuff like that. So right now I just got my pan on with a little bit of melted coconut oil in it, and I'm gonna chop up my onions and head on to the potatoes. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've cut up all of my red skin potatoes. I leave the skins on. That is my personal preference. If you don't want them on, you can skin them. I like the added extra fiber and nutrients in the skins. And then I'm just going to add them into my pan. And I'm gonna throw some salt and pepper on these, and then pretty much it's gonna stay like this for a while because these potatoes need to cook for probably about 20 minutes. Okay, so I have some turkey sausage. You can say it's not real sausage all you want, but it's our favorite. So I've cut it up and I'm gonna add it in, and it's gonna cook for quite some time, obviously, because it is raw meat, with the potatoes and onions. And then later I'll be adding a red bell pepper and some eggs. Eggs will go in last. Okay, so now I'm going to cut up the red bell pepper. I'm just going to cut out the core. Cut it into some slices. Gather them all up. Like that. Then we are going to add them in. Everything is cooking up really nice. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the eggs, and this is actually something that Mike has taught me over the years, is that if you put all your eggs in a plastic bag, you can just scramble them this way without having to use a bowl and a fork, etc. to scramble them. It makes it pretty easy, and then you just dump it right in. You can use any amount of eggs that you want. I just used how many we had, which was 5. And you're just going to let this cook down, stir it up a couple of times, let the eggs naturally scramble, and we should be good to go. Okay, so everything is all cooked down. We've got the eggs all scrambled in there. All the potatoes are cooked, sausage is cooked. So right now I'm just going to plate it up in a bowl. And I'm going to top it off with a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese. Let it melt, and there you have it. A delicious, filling breakfast hash, camper style.
It's cold and wet.
But we're enjoying ourselves.
Yeah, walking the dogs. Yeah, every time we come here, it's always dead and cold.
Yeah, but like we mentioned before, we kind of like it that way, or prefer it that way.
Yeah, it's, in the summertime, it's just so busy. I know we've said this before while we're here, but that's why we should come here in the off season.
Yeah, I mean, we could come here when it's really busy just to show you the difference. We'll drive through. We won't be camping.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, here, we'll take a look. Oops. Dog's trying to get a squirrel.
Hey! Stop it.
No. But anyways, there's just nobody around. Way over there in the B area, there's a lot. But over here, there's nothing.
Squirrel.
So I think we're gonna walk down to the beach, even though it's like 40 degrees.
I mean, it's been worse. Not really gonna complain about it. We are camping, so I'm happy.
Yeah, it's just been on and off rain.
Yeah, no sun.
No sun at all, it's overcast.
The dogs are loving it, that's for sure.
Well, it's Sunday and we're packing up.
Yep, so doing some dishes. One of the last things that we do.
So overall, what do you think of the functionality of your kitchen space?
I really like it. It's got the perfect amount of countertop space. The sink is big and it can fit a lot of things flat and flush. Now this is probably the biggest pan I have. So, but it mostly fits in there and I don't have any problems washing anything so far. Everything is really close. Like if I get something finished, I just turn around and I set it on the table right behind me. It's really convenient. I haven't felt like I was pressed for countertop space. I mean, right now it's not really set up because we're packing up, so I've got like things out that still need to go away, but... And we even have this flip out, and we haven't even used this yet.
Yeah, we've never even used that little flip up piece.
I'm sure we will, but it's really nice that it's available.
Yeah.
But we will be going through and organizing everything and hopefully show you once we're done, because, you know, we're kind of slacking on that front.
Yeah, nothing... Let me open this real quick. Nothing's really organized. We just kind of...
That's just barely even got anything we use in it. Half that stuff is going to, like... Yeah.
We just kind of put stuff in here. We... still have to go through everything, but
yep. So right now we're just kind of getting ready to head on home, make that really long drive.
yeah.
Yes, the microphone is on this time.
Take two.
Yeah.
Because somebody forgot to turn the microphone on.
I hate this microphone. How you have to, it has its own battery. You have to turn it on separately, and half the time I forget that part. Anyhow.
Overall, it was a good weekend. The functionality of the Airstream, I think, is top notch.
Yeah, I don't have any complaints. I really enjoy everything about the Airstream. It's very comfortable, but it better be, and it is.
Now, I don't want to call it a complaint, but the flooring is very light colored. I think we said this already in a previous video, but since it was so wet this weekend, we decided that we're going to get some like runner type rugs for the aisleway.
Yep, just to try to keep it more clean.
Easier to maintain that way.
Yeah, we were taking our shoes off at the door, but you know, we have two dogs. They kind of track it anywhere they want. So that's an upgrade that we knew we were going to do from the beginning because of the color of the floor.
Yeah, when we were shopping, we were kind of concerned, but it wasn't like a make or break type thing.
Right.
But East Harbor, being off season, was good.
Yeah. We only had one close neighbor, and that's only because we wanted the site that we chose it.
Because it was big.
Because it was big, and then it ended up being the only site that held water. So we learned the hard way.
We did get a campfire in, so that was good, but it was still cold.
And we did do a 5-mile walk.
Yeah, that walk.
Around the park, and that was great.
A little bit of running.
Yeah, we did do some running too. That's right.
That really whooped the dogs.
Yeah, but that was good. That was what we wanted.
Yeah.
We are trying to get them more acclimated back to our camping style, which is a lot of walks and runs and stuff like that. And the cooler weather certainly helps them get acclimated easier, that's for sure.
Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do next weekend. It's always up in the air until Friday midday, then we're texting back and forth.
Yeah.
Like, where do you want to go?
Depending on the weather. We are fair weather seekers. And it didn't really work out this weekend because it wasn't good anyway, really.
Well, yeah, that's why East Harbor was like a last minute, decision.
Yeah.
Because we were just checking the weather and it really wasn't nice anywhere.
Yeah.
So we just stayed close to home, went to East Harbor.
But it worked out. So we did want to make a mention that we had one of our subscribers mention to us that he has a GoFundMe page for his dog that needs ACL surgery. So we told him that we'd share it because we do have dogs and we do love animals. So if you guys want to donate, go ahead. Don't feel any pressure.
There'll be a link in the description, and
Yeah.
we did post it already on our Facebook page. So even if you can't help by giving money, you could always just share it.
Yeah, just get the word out for him and help him get some much needed surgery for his buddy.
The subscriber's name is Jeremy.
Okay.
So
Yeah, if you guys could help Jeremy out, we'd appreciate it, and I'm sure he would appreciate it a lot more. So on that note, I think we're gonna jump off of here. Gonna go grab some lunch
yep.
and enjoy the sunshine today. So we'll talk to you guys later.
See ya.